विघ्नानां नाशनं कर्तु भूतानां रक्षणाय च देवानां तुष्टये चापि प्रेक्षकाणां विभूतये श्रेयसे नायकस्राय पात्र संरक्षणाय च आचार्य शिक्षा सिद्धार्थ पुष्पांजलि मथारभेत. Anshi, can you please explain what do you want to say? Is this shloka related to our performance? Yes, Shia, this is the shloka represent our dance called Pushpanjali. A dancer should pay floral offerings to the stage and all the directions and to the learned audience and seek blessings for a successful performance.
Okay, Anshi, then I must tell you, Pushpanjali is the word derived from two Sanskrit words. Pushpa means flowers and Anjali means salutation with folded hands. In this Pushpanjali, a dancer seeks blessings by offering flowers to the Lord of Dance, Nataraj, the Guru and the esteemed audience.
We hope our offering of flowers and rhythm bring peace and joy everyone here today. Thank you.
झण्णकिट्टतां तद्धितां तद्धितां तज्जणकिटतगतां झणकिट झणकिटतां झणकिट झणकिटतग झण्णकिट्टतां तद्धितां तद्धितां तज्जणकिटतगतां झणकिट झणकिटतां झणकिट झणकिटतग झण्णकिट्टतां तद्धितां तद्धितां तज्जणकिटतगतां झणकिट झणकिटतां झणकिट झणकिटतग झण्णकिट्टतां kita